Welcome back to Primetime News. Thanks for staying with us. In this week's edition of the Business Review, a new player is emerging in the banana industry, giving local farmers a well-needed boost. TVJ's Andrew Laidley tells us more.
This facility stands as a beacon of hope for banana farmers who claim they've been struggling to find a market for their produce. The value-added facility is the outcome of an $80 million investment spanning about 12,000 square feet. General Manager at the All-Island Banana Growers Association, Donald Elvey, says the first order of business is to buy as many banana from local farmers as possible.
And we just want to reassure the farmers that we are now in a position to start taking off all their bananas, plantains, and other produce in our value-added facility.
He noted that while Jamaica continues to import banana products, the local industry has untapped potential.
We are now importing about over 800 million Jamaican dollars worth of banana chips annually. Now, that equates to about 1,000 acres of banana that is needed right now, or that could be planted in Jamaica, that is being imported right now. You might be surprised to know that the local banana industry, and when I said banana, I also include planting, is valued at over 20 billion Jamaican dollars. So it is not a small industry.
Mr. Elvey says a crucial part of opening the facility is to help lower the food import bill.
Though we don't want to give away all our business plan or our secrets, we intend to assist the government not only with the food import strategy in reducing the current high levels of import. And as you know, our import bill is approaching $1 billion US.
The association has already introduced a new product to the market called Jambanas. Mr. Elvey says other products will come on stream before the end of the year as the facility builds out its production capacity.
We are going to do some market penetration, testing, getting some feedback from our member farmers about the quality, about the taste, the wider consumer at large, and then we will go fully into production. But for now, we are just dealing with market penetration, testing the product on the market, and hopefully it will be accepted by Jamaicans.
Looking ahead, Mr. Elvey says he's not only interested in bananas. He says the facility has the capacity to process other ground provisions, which would increase opportunities for other farmers across the island.
Other producers, for example, yams, potatoes, breadfruit, cassava, dasheen, will now have a market that they can sell their produce to. So we are hoping that the days of glut in St. Mary for our local small farmers are now a thing of the past.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.